Dear young people from all over the world, it is with great honor and privilege that I speak to you today, and at the same time congratulate you as you celebrate the 20th anniversary of the International Youth Fellowship and the World Camp. From the first time I addressed the World Camp, I've always considered the International Youth Fellowship as a crucial vehicle to inspire and raise young leaders through social service and cultural exchange. Another favorite component for me from the World Camp is the Mindset Education, which has become an innovative and constructive program. As an advocate of mindset change myself, I urge you as young people to be in control of your destiny, always challenge the status quo, and always aspire to inspire others to have a positive mind on issues. Therefore, without any doubt whatsoever, the International Youth Fellowship is an excellent initiative for our youth, and I'm always proud to be associated with the program. It is for this reason that I would like to share my sincere gratitude to the International Youth Fellowship for organizing this global youth camp through online platforms due to the COVID-19, a pandemic that has changed the way we used to interact. It is, however, important that with COVID-19 or without COVID-19, we must continue with our lives by, among other things, opting for online arrangements just like you have done with this year's Global Youth Camp. Once again, I sincerely congratulate you for the 20th anniversary of the International Youth Fellowship and the World Camp. And finally, allow me to thank you, Reverend Dr. Ok-Soo Park, in your capacity as the founder of this initiative. Your continued reliable support to the youth is remarkable, and we deeply appreciate your contribution. And very finally, the best wishes from Malawi, the warm heart of Africa. May God bless us all, and I thank you.